Welcome to the Corona Airlines. Here is the safety rules. Thank you for your attention. If a person sneezes within 2 meters, automatically a mask will fall above your head. Pull the elastics and put the mask on your face. When you are ready, you can now help other people. Then, wash your hands. If many people cough, an exit light panel will help you to locate the closer emergency exit. The emergency exits are located on each side of the cabin, in front, in the center, and behind. In case of fever or chills, a vest is located under your seat. Pass your head through the neckline. Attach and tighten the straps by pulling the strings. And then, wash your hands. The notice that we are presenting contains the safety rules. Please consult them and set it in front of you in the pocket of your seat. Then, wash your hands. In a moment, our on-board staff will come among you to offer you an assortment of liquids. We currently have a discount on the mini bottles of hydroalcoholic gel. Enjoy it. Thanks to have chosen the Corona Airlines, and we wish you good luck.